Strengthen that commitment, irrevocable commitment to human development. I don't care which party you come from. My friend. So it's Alex Oti, and many of you doing well, very focused. And it's not about the difference in languages and place of birth. No one of us has control of the mother tongue. You are created by God. You find yourself in Enugu, or you find yourself in Onitsha. You find yourself in Lagos. You are all a member of one big, huge family called Nigeria, but living in different rooms in the same house. This house, we must build it. Build it to satisfy our immediate need, which is not going to be enough yet, but our tomorrow too. That is why the removal of the fuel subsidy was necessary. You cannot spend the future of generations yet unborn in advance. Don't bankrupt the nation before they are born. And people will fight, grumble, abuse me and everything. But